The Amazon rainforest is an extraordinary world brimming with life, mystery, and unimaginable beauty. Imagine a place where the air is thick with greenery and the sound of life. The trees reach toward the sky like giants, and the ground is alive with creatures big and small. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. This vast and awe-inspiring rainforest is more than just a natural wonder. It's a lifeline for the entire Earth, a critical part of the global ecosystem. Let's journey deep into the Amazon rainforest and explore its rich biodiversity, unique ecosystems, and the incredible wildlife. The Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. Covering about 2.1 million square miles, it stretches across 9 countries in South America: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. It's often referred to as the lungs of the Earth because of its crucial role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, helping to regulate the planet's climate. But it's not just the size that makes the Amazon so special. It's the incredible variety of life that thrives within it, from towering trees to tiny insects, to the species yet undiscovered by scientists. It's indeed a place where the world's biodiversity truly comes to life. The Amazon rainforest is a sanctuary for an incredible diversity of animals, each with unique adaptations that help them survive in the dense jungle. The constant competition for food, space, and mates means that these creatures have evolved in ways that are often astonishing. Here comes the jaguar, the largest wild cat in America and the third largest in the world, after the tiger and lion. Jaguars are solitary and highly territorial creatures. They possess incredibly strong jaws capable of crushing the skull or the shell of their prey. Unlike other big cats that typically attack the throat of their prey, jaguars often pierce the skull, using their powerful bite to penetrate the thick bone. This makes jaguars formidable hunters. They are skilled swimmers and often hunt for caimans, fish, and capybaras near the water's edge. Their golden coat, with distinctive black rosettes, camouflages them perfectly in the dappled sunlight of the rainforest floor. Jaguars are nocturnal, usually hunting at night, and their presence is vital in keeping the ecosystem balanced by controlling populations of other species. And then we behold the sloth, one of the most famous residents of the Amazon rainforest. They are known for their incredibly slow movements. These herbivores spend most of their lives in the treetops, hanging from branches using their long, curved claws. Sloths move so slowly that algae often grow on their fur, which provides additional camouflage from predators. There are 2 types of sloths in the Amazon: the 2-toed sloth and the 3-toed sloth. Sloths are not just slow, they also have a very low metabolic rate, which helps them conserve energy while feeding on leaves, which provide minimal nutritional value. Despite their slow pace, sloths are excellent swimmers, using their long arms to paddle through water when they need to move from one tree to another. Mowing from the sloth family, we see the amazing capybara, the world's largest rodent, growing up to 4 feet long and weighing as much as 140 pounds. These gentle social animals are found in large groups on land as well as in water, such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Their webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, and they often submerge themselves in the water to escape predators like jaguars or caimans. Capybaras are herbivores and primarily feed on grasses, aquatic plants, and fruits. They are often seen lounging in the sun or grazing in peaceful herds, making them a vital part of the Amazon's wetland ecosystems. And then, still on the animals in the Amazon forest, we see a small mammal, the pygmy marmoset. It is the smallest monkey in the world, measuring just 5 inches long and weighing around 3.5 ounces. Despite its small size, the pygmy marmoset is incredibly active and agile, leaping from tree to tree in search of insects, fruit, and tree sap. These monkeys have sharp claws that help them cling to branches and navigate the dense canopy with ease. Pygmy marmosets live in family groups, with a dominant female leading the troop. Their small size and incredible agility make them almost invisible to predators. The Amazon rainforest is also a birdwatcher's paradise, home to thousands of bird species, each with its unique behaviors, colors, and songs. One of such remarkable birds of the Amazon is the harpy eagle. It is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. The harpy eagle is an apex predator in the Amazon rainforest. These birds can have a wingspan of up to 7.5 feet and powerful talons that are larger than those of a grizzly bear. Harpy eagles primarily hunt in the rainforest canopy, preying on monkeys, sloths, and even large birds like toucans. Their striking black and white plumage, along with their dramatic crest of feathers, makes them easy to spot in the dense jungle. They are also incredibly intelligent, using their keen eyesight and exceptional flying abilities to stalk and ambush prey. Next is the macaws, large, colorful, beautiful parrots that are iconic to the Amazon rainforest. There are several species of macaws, but the scarlet macaw and the blue and gold macaw are the most well known. Macaws have vibrant feathers in shades of red, blue, green, and yellow, making them one of the most striking birds in the rainforest. These parrots are highly social and often travel in flocks, communicating with each other through loud squawks. They are primarily frugivores, feeding on a variety of fruits, nuts, and seeds. Macaws have strong beaks that allow them to crack open tough nuts like Brazil nuts. Unfortunately, due to habitat destruction and the illegal pet trade, many macaw species are now endangered. And then here comes the toucan. With their large, colorful beaks, toucans are one of the most recognizable birds in the Amazon rainforest. Their beaks are not only stunning to look at, but also surprisingly lightweight, made of a spongy material. These birds use their beaks to reach fruit and flowers high in the trees, often feeding on a diet of fruits, insects, and small animals. Toucans are important seed dispersed, helping plants spread their seeds across the rainforest. These birds are also known for their playful nature and are often seen hopping around in groups, calling to one another with their distinct, resonant calls. That's not all. The Amazon is also home to hundreds of species of hummingbirds, making it a hotspot for these tiny, iridescent creatures. These birds are famous for their ability to hover in mid-air while feeding on nectar from flowers. Their wings beat at an astonishing rate, up to 80 times per second, allowing them to stay suspended while they drink. Hummingbirds are also key pollinators in the Amazon, transferring pollen from flower to flower as they feed. Their iridescent feathers can shimmer in various colors, making them a dazzling sight in the rainforest. Well, that's just a glimpse of the beauty the Amazon rainforest holds. It's also teeming with buzzing insects, some of which are not found elsewhere, and some can be deadly. Let's take a closer look at some of the more intriguing and important insect species that call the rainforest home. First is the bullet ant. It is infamous for its incredibly painful sting, which has been described as feeling like being shot by a bullet. Despite the intense pain, the sting is not fatal, but it can last for hours. Bullet ants are large, measuring up to 1.2 inches long, and they live in colonies deep within the forest. Their sting is used to defend their nests from intruders and predators. Indigenous tribes use the sting in initiation rituals, where young men must endure the excruciating pain as part of their passage into adulthood. Beyond the bullet ant, there is the leafcutter ants, the most industrious creatures in the Amazon. These ants work in large colonies, cutting leaves from trees and carrying them back to their underground nests. They don't eat the leaves directly. Instead, they use the leaves to cultivate fungi, which is their primary food source. The leafcutter ant colonies can be massive, with millions of workers, and they are known for their efficiency and organization. These ants play a crucial role in the Amazon's ecosystem by recycling plant material and helping to fertilize the soil. Can you just imagine such smartness from something so small? Hold it there. You haven't seen it all, as we introduce the giant katydid. Is one of the largest insects in the Amazon, reaching up to 7 inches in length. This insect is an expert in camouflage with its green leaf-like body that helps it blend in seamlessly with the rainforest vegetation. Katydids are herbivores and feed primarily on leaves. Despite their large size, they are usually silent, using their ability to remain motionless to avoid detection by predators. The Amazon forest has much more life to view, like the poisonous and beautiful creatures, one of which is the Amazonian poison frog. The Amazonian poison frog is known for its striking, bright colors, which serve as a warning to predators that these frogs are toxic. These frogs secrete potent toxins from their skin, which they obtain from their diet of ants and other small insects. The toxins make them unpalatable to predators like birds and snakes. These frogs are small, often only 1 to 2 inches long, and they thrive in the damp, humid environment of the Amazon. Moving down to the Amazon River, we behold the teeming fish species, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Like the piranha, known for their sharp teeth and fearsome reputation, piranhas are omnivores and often feed in schools. While they can be dangerous if threatened, they are not the bloodthirsty monsters often depicted in movies. And then we have the beautiful arapaima. One of the largest freshwater fish in the world, the arapaima can grow up to 10 feet long, These massive fish are a beautiful and a key part of the Amazon's river ecosystem. Still on the Amazon River, we move to the electric eel. Capable of generating powerful electric shocks, the electric eel uses this ability to stun its prey and defend itself from predators. Yet another certainty is the fact that the Amazon forest has its fair share of reptiles living in both the trees and the waterways. The largest is the green anaconda. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world, capable of reaching lengths of up to 30 feet. Though they are not venomous, they are powerful constrictors that can take down large animals like deer and caimans. And then, that brings us to the caiman. These alligator-like reptiles are common in the Amazon River. Caimans are excellent swimmers and can often be seen lounging on the riverbanks, waiting for their next meal. The Amazon is a place filled with wonders, also home to a mind-blowing variety of plants, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Yes, like the kapok tree, one of the tallest trees in the Amazon, reaching up to 200 feet. It has giant umbrella-shaped leaves and thick, spongy bark. The kapok tree produces large pods filled with fluffy seeds that help it survive during dry spells. And then the balsa tree. Known for its extremely light wood, the balsa tree is used to make everything from rafts to model airplanes. This tree is one of the fastest growing in the rainforest. And then the cacao tree. The Amazon is the birthplace of the cacao tree, where the rich, flavorful journey of chocolate begins, whose beans are used to make chocolate. Imagine that, the sweet treat you love, growing in the heart of the Amazon. That's not all. Here comes the strangler. Fig, a tree that starts as a small seed in the canopy and eventually grows to envelop its host tree, squeezing it until it dies. It's a perfect example of the fierce competition for light in the Amazon rainforest. Lastly is the medicinal plants. Many plants in the Amazon rainforest have medicinal properties. The indigenous people have used them for centuries to treat everything from headaches to infections. Modern scientists are still studying these plants to discover their potential benefits. Despite all the wonders of the Amazon rainforest, it faces numerous threats, primarily from human activities like logging, mining, and agriculture. Deforestation is a major concern, as large portions of the forest are being cleared to make way for cattle ranching, soybean production, and illegal logging. This not only destroys habitats but also contributes to climate change by releasing stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Efforts to conserve the Amazon include protecting indigenous lands, sustainable agriculture practices, and establishing protected areas. The fight to preserve the Amazon is crucial, as its health impacts the entire planet. If the rainforest is lost, we could see devastating changes in global weather patterns, biodiversity, and the overall health of our planet. The Amazon rainforest is one of the Earth's greatest treasures. It's a place where life thrives in every corner, from the tallest trees to the smallest insects. It's a living testament to the beauty and power of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon rainforest. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Amazon is waiting for you to discover more.